Molarity is a concentration unit that helps us keep track of the amount of material that's dissolved in a solution. Since most chemical reactions occur in solution, this is a very useful thing. The molarity of a solution is the moles of dissolved solute per liter of solution. This is given a designation of an uppercase M. Let's work through some simple problems involving molarity. In this first problem, we're asked to calculate molarity. Let's first remind ourselves that molarity is the moles of solute per liter of solution. In this problem, we're given directly the number of moles and liters, so we just divide it out. Each of these numbers has 2 sig figs, so we should have 2 sig figs in our final answer. A word of caution, uppercase M is not an appropriate unit. I will encourage you instead to write moles per liter. Molarity is very, very useful in chemistry precisely because it allows us to essentially measure the amount of solute we have by measuring the volume of solution. Multiplying molarity times volume is going to tell you how many moles of solute are contained in that volume of solution, as long as you're careful to express this volume of the solution in liters. And calculations involving molarity always translate molarity as moles per liter. So instead of writing this as 0.50 uppercase M, we're going to write it as 0.50 moles per liter, knowing that this is the meaning for molarity. We want to multiply molarity times the volume expressed in liters. We refer to our question statement and we see our volume of our solution is expressed in milliliters, so we need to do a conversion. So here's our full setup. We see units of milliliters cancel out, units of liters cancel out. So we have our surviving unit as moles. So here's our final answer, 0.09 moles. We see that our final calculator answer needs to have 2 sig figs because we're limited by sig figs here. So we need to add a 0 in order for this number to be expressed as 2 sig figs. And we have as our final answer 0.090 moles.